Hello everyone. Do you want to remove text from a video using Canva? Today I will show you how to edit your video to eliminate unwanted text. So now let's get started. First log into your Canva account and create new design with custom dimensions matching your video. Click on the uploads in the sidebar, then upload files to import your video. Drag and drop the uploaded video onto the blank canvas. Adjust its size to fit the canvas as needed. To hide the unwanted text, select elements from the sidebar and choose a shape such as rectangle, then adjust the shape size and position it over the text you wish to remove. Now use the color picker tool to change the shape's color, matching it to the video's background for a seamless look. Now if you want to replace the removed text with no text, select text from the sidebar, choose a text style, and type your desired content. Position and format it as needed. Now click the play button to preview your edited video. If everything looks good, click share and then download to export the video in your preferred format. And that's it. You have successfully removed text from your video using Canva. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.